Hi, I'm Ken and this is VMUX. VMUX lets you see and control all functions on your existing apparatus. The VMUX displays range in size from 5 inches up to 12 inches and can be mounted on the interior or exterior of your vehicle. Not to mention, with VMUX, you have the most advanced display tech in the industry, which we could use around here.
Alrighty folks, we're here playing Guess the Facts. I'm your host, Tristan. Ken, tell me, what is the legacy of VMUX?
Ooh. Man, I know this one. It has been controlling apparatus for over 25 years and is installed on over 50,000 trucks.
Ding, 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 ding! That's correct.
Easy.
I have one more for you.
Ooh.
What does VMUX have that similar systems are lacking in?
Also easy. The track record and experience.
Congratulations! You've got them all right.
Keep winning with VMUX. Tristan, where's my medal? Where's my prize? Hey.